Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. What exactly is equity research? Picture yourself as a financial detective, delving into the intricate world of companies to assess their financial health, performance, and potential. You're essentially piecing together a financial puzzle to understand the bigger picture. The journey commences with financial statements, income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements. They're not just numbers on a paper. They're clues that weave a narrative about a company's financial story. It's a task that requires a keen eye for detail and a knack for understanding complex financial data. But the investigation doesn't stop at financial statements. It also involves studying industry trends and economic factors. Think of this step as giving color to the black and white numbers from the financial statements. It's about painting a picture that provides context to the numbers and adds depth to your understanding. However, the life of an equity researcher isn't confined to data and spreadsheets. There's a human element involved too. Researchers often communicate with company management, industry experts, and even customers. This personal touch helps to fill in the gaps, providing a comprehensive view of the company. Now, all the detective work culminates in the creation of an equity research report. This document is like a guidebook for investors, presenting findings, insights, and recommendations. It's the beacon that guides investment decisions, helping investors navigate the complex world of finance. And if you're wondering about the career prospects in equity research, let me tell you, they're promising. Banks, asset management firms, and investment houses are constantly on the lookout for skilled researchers. And the pay? It's pretty competitive, with salaries easily reaching into the six-figure range with experience. So, to wrap up, equity research is much more than just crunching numbers. It's about unraveling financial mysteries and understanding the stories behind the numbers. If you're someone who loves analysis and is intrigued by the world of finance, then this could be the perfect career path for you. Equity research is all about piecing together a financial puzzle to see the bigger picture. The process of equity research begins with examining financial statements. Picture this. You're a detective and your case files are the income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements of a company. But it's not just about the raw numbers, it's about what they reveal, the story they tell about the company's financial health and performance. Once that story starts to unfold, the next step is to understand its context. This is where industry trends and economic factors come into play. It's like you're painting a picture, and these elements are the colors that bring the black and white numbers to life. Is the company operating in a growing market? How is the economy affecting its business? These are the kind of questions that need answers. But the narrative doesn't end there. The equity research process also involves connecting with people. Researchers reach out to company management, industry experts, and even customers. These interactions offer valuable insights that can't be found in numbers or charts. They fill in the gaps, providing a fuller understanding of the company's operations and potential. The last piece of the puzzle is the equity research report. This document is the culmination of all the detective work. It presents a comprehensive overview of the company's financial health, industry position, and future prospects. It may also include recommendations for investors based on the findings. The equity research process is rigorous and demanding, but it's also incredibly rewarding. It's a journey of discovery, a chance to uncover the hidden truths of a company's financial story. And the end product, the equity research report, is a valuable tool that can guide investment decisions and shape business strategies. The equity research process is designed to provide a 360-degree view of a company's financial health and potential. It's about piecing together a complex puzzle to reveal a comprehensive picture. It's about understanding not just the numbers, but the story behind them. And most importantly, it's about providing valuable insights that can drive informed investment decisions. Once all the detective work is done, it culminates into an equity research report. This isn't just some ordinary report. It's a comprehensive document that encapsulates all the findings, insights, and recommendations from the meticulous research process. Think of it as the final piece of the puzzle that brings the whole picture into view. It's a detailed narrative that tells the story of a company's financial health and future potential. The report typically contains sections such as an executive summary, financial analysis, industry overview, and investment recommendations. Let's break that down a bit, shall we? The executive summary is the appetizer, providing a snapshot of the report's key findings. It tells you what the company does, its competitive position, and future prospects. Next, the financial analysis is where the numbers take center stage. All those income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements we mentioned earlier, this is where they come into play. This section analyzes the company's profitability, liquidity, solvency, and efficiency, painting a clear picture of its financial health. Then we have the industry overview. This section places the company within the broader context of its industry. It looks at industry trends, competition, and market dynamics. It's about understanding the playground the company is playing in. Finally, the investment recommendations. This is the grand finale, the crux of the report. Based on all the research and analysis, the report makes recommendations on whether to buy, sell, or hold the company's stock. This is the actionable advice that guides investors in making their investment decisions. So you see, the equity research report is more than just numbers and facts. It's a meticulously crafted narrative that provides a 360-degree view of a company. It's a tool that helps investors navigate the complex world of investing, making informed decisions about where to place their bets. In essence, the equity research report is your guidebook to making informed investment decisions. It's the culmination of all the financial detective work, a testament to the importance of understanding the stories behind the numbers. Ever wondered about job opportunities in equity research? Here's the scoop. There's a high demand for skilled equity researchers in today's finance landscape. As the global economy becomes increasingly complex, the need to understand and interpret financial data is more crucial than ever. The types of companies that hire equity researchers are as diverse as the role itself. Investment banks are one of the largest employers, where researchers play a critical role in guiding investment strategies. Asset management firms also employ equity researchers to aid in the selection of stocks for their portfolios. Hedge funds, private equity firms, and even corporations seeking insights about their competitors are also on the hunt for talented equity researchers. And it's not just about the who, but also the where. Equity research is a global field, with opportunities spanning from Wall Street in New York to the financial hubs of London, Hong Kong, and beyond. The world, as they say, is your oyster. Now let's talk numbers. When it comes to salaries, equity research does not disappoint. Entry-level equity researchers can expect to earn between $60,000 and $80,000 per year. As you gain experience and hone your skills, this figure can easily climb into the six-figure range. Senior equity researchers, or those who transition into roles like portfolio management, can command even higher salaries. It's important to remember that while the financial rewards can be significant, the role is also intellectually rewarding. Every day, you'll be solving complex puzzles, uncovering financial narratives, and making sense of the market's ebbs and flows. There's a certain thrill in being able to decipher the story behind the numbers and make informed predictions about the future. But remember, like any career, equity research demands dedication, analytical prowess, and a constant thirst for knowledge. If you're someone who enjoys piecing together the financial puzzle and has a passion for the financial markets, then this might just be the career for you. With competitive salaries and high demand, equity research can be a rewarding career path. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? In conclusion, equity research is more than meets the eye. This field is a blend of financial analysis and detective work, a fascinating journey into the heart of a company's financial health and potential. It's about piecing together a puzzle, making sense of the numbers, and uncovering the story they tell. The process of equity research starts with a deep dive into financial statements, income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. But it doesn't stop there. The numbers need context, and that's where industry trends and economic factors come into play. They give color to the black and white figures, providing a richer understanding of a company's position and potential. Yet, it's not all about data and spreadsheets. Equity research involves personal interactions, conversations with company management, industry experts, and customers. These interactions offer invaluable insights, filling in the gaps and offering a comprehensive view of the company. The culmination of all this detective work is the Equity Research Report, a document that presents the findings, insights, and recommendations derived from the research. This report serves as a guidebook, helping investors make informed decisions about their investments. Equity research is not just a field of study, it's a viable career path with high demand. Banks, asset management firms, and investment houses are on a constant lookout for skilled researchers. And let's not forget the competitive salaries, which can start at $60,000 to $80,000 per year for entry-level positions and can climb into the six-figure range with experience. In conclusion, equity research is like solving financial mysteries. It's not just about the numbers, it's about understanding the stories behind them. If you have a knack for analysis and a curiosity about the world of finance, this could be the career path for you. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy researching.